Hello, good morning to each and every one of us here. Lahat ng manood sa video na ito, my families, my relatives, followers, friends. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good Friday to each and every one of us. Pasalamat tayo sa Panginoon sa panibagong buhay na naman na ito, panibagong lakas, and refreshing our everything. At gaya sa kanyang sinabi sa Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, nasabi niya, "Seek ye first the kingdom, His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto us." So kanina, sinimulan natin, when we wake up, sinimulan natin ng prayer. So I joined the group prayer kaninang umaga, and then pagkatapos niyan, then ito na, magkape na tayo. Pwede tayong magkape. Ay gaya ng sinabi ni Lord, above all things, let us seek Him first. Itulog natin muna ang lahat-lahat natin dahil Siya ang lumikha at may plano sa ating buhay. At kung yan ang masusunod, adi ang ating araw ay masaya, prosperous, and we enjoy life. And we are being protected, we are being guided sa maganda niyang plano sa atin. Gaya ng sinabi niya sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11, ay sabi niya, "The plan of God for us is to prosper us, and not to harm us, but to bless us, and to give us good future." So, kaya ugalian natin, lagi-lagi, in everything we do, we seek first. Isik natin muna, ipag-pray natin muna sa ating Panginoon, and then God is faithful to guide us, and He is going to protect us, dahil alam natin dito sa mundo ay meron si demonyo. Kaya kailangan natin ang protection, paggabay, at pagtulong ng ating puong may kapal para tayo, He will fight for us against the evil one. At tayo ay maituwid sa plano ng ating Panginoon na prosperous life, joyful life with Him. At nagpasalamat tayo sa Kanya, sa Kanyang patuloy na ginagawang kabutihan at miracle in our daily life. So, let's have a cup of coffee and ituloy natin. Let us have a good na masaya ang araw dahil kasama natin ang ating Panginoon. So God bless each and every one of us and have a nice day. Let's have a cup of coffee.